Llunbrennig ydy'r clwb hwylio ucha yn Brydain. Oherwydd bod o I ffwrdd ar y fordir, mae'n lot haws mynd allan I hwylio pan mae'r tywydd yn ddrwg.
The wind's quite clean up here because we're very high up, and so you get good wind very often, so it's a really good place to learn and to sail and to race.
It's a sport that people who are disabled can take part in, young people can take part in, older people can take part in. You can race if you're very competitive, or you can just enjoy a lovely day out in beautiful surroundings.
I've been to clubs where there's been a lot of older people who don't want younger kids to join in. It's a bit of a us and them situation. But with Llunbrennig, it's just everyone's free to sail, new people are invited, and people like I was about 3 years ago are really nurtured and just helped along the path to sailing success.
Mae 'na llawer o pobl ifanc yn dechrau hwylio yma, hefo'r pobl sy'n helpu a mae'n da.
Oedd o'n brofiad gwych, rhywbeth gwahanol. Dwi wedi hwylio o blaen, felly oedd o'n rhywbeth newydd I fi gael wneud dysgu lot.
Dysgais I sut I hwylio tua 4 mlynedd yn ôl, a rwan dwi'n hwylio bron pob penwythnos. Mae'n clwb gwych. Dwi'n hoffi pawb yma.
Mae gan y clwb yr kit yma, lle di pobl ddim yn goro prynu cwch I hunain I gychwyn efo, a hynna di be mae pobl yn weld efo hwylio. Maen nhw'n gweld yr yachts mawr yma sy'n y marinas, dim y cychod bach sydd yn neud y gamp yn fwy agored I bawb.